for the beautiful woman in my life. Yeah, yeah. Morning light is dancing in your eyes, like the sunrise painting golden skies. Every smile you give can calm the sea. You bring out the very best in me. Your gentle heart is stronger than the tide. With every step you walk with grace and pride. No diamond shine the way your spirit does. You're the melody my whole life loves. Beautiful woman, queen of my soul, you make my broken pieces whole. Like the warm Caribbean sun above, you fill my life with endless love. Beautiful woman, stay by my side through every storm and every tide. Forever together, hand in hand, building our dreams across the sand. When the evening breeze begins to play, I thank the heavens for each new day. Your laughter echoes through the coconut trees, floating softly with the ocean breeze. You are the rhythm inside my song, the place where my heart belongs. No matter where this road may lead, your love is everything I need. Beautiful woman, queen of my soul. Beautiful woman, queen of my soul. Yeah. Beautiful woman, queen of my soul. Oh, beautiful woman, yeah. Hold me close beneath the moonlight. Everything about you feels so right. We'll dance until the morning comes, to the heartbeat of violent drums. Beautiful woman, forever mine. Together we'll shine through all of time. Island love will never fade away. Beautiful woman, every single day. Oh yeah, the ocean sings your name from sunrise to sunset. You're my island queen. I found my paradise the day we met. A love I'll never ever forget. Like gentle waves upon the shore. You make me want you even more. Your smile shines brighter than the morning sun. With you beside me, life has just begun. Every heartbeat moves with your sweet melody. You're the only one I'll ever need. When the trade winds softly blow, they carry all the love I know. Every blessing, every dream starts with you, my island queen. Island queen of my heart. We'll never drift apart. From the mountains to the sea, you'll always laugh together in the golden light. Oh, holding each other through the night. No treasure hidden in the deep blue sea could ever mean as much to me. Your faithful love is all I need. Your every answered prayer indeed. Dance with me beneath the stars, no matter where tomorrow calls. Every sunrise brings a brand new start. You're forever the queen of my heart, island queen of my heart. Our love's a work of art. Through every season, near or far, you'll always be my shining star. Oh, island queen, forever my melody, forever my heart, forever my love. Sunset love by the sea. Oh yeah. Golden skies, island breeze. This love was meant to be. Forever by the sea. Ooh. As the sun goes down across the waves, your gentle smile lights up my days. The ocean whispers our sweet melody. Two hearts beating wild and free. Barefoot walking where the tide rolls in. Every sunset feels like we begin. With your hand safely holding mine, every moment feels so divine. The palm trees sway to a reggae beat. Your love makes my life complete. Heaven painted in shades of gold, a love story forever told. Sunset love by the sea. You're the only one for me. From the shoreline to the stars above, I'll always give you all my love. Sunset love by the sea. You are my sweetest melody. With every wave and every breeze, my heart belongs beside the sea. Moonlight dances on the crystal blue. Every dream begins with you. Island nights and firelight glow. There's no place I'd rather go. Your laughter rides the evening wind. A love that's faithful to the end. Together we'll chase tomorrow's light, wrapped in love every single night. If tomorrow brings the rain, I still love you just the same. Every sunrise, every tide, I'll be standing by your side. Sunset love by the sea. Forever you'll belong with me. Our hearts will sail where dreams are free. Together for eternity. Sunset fading, stars appear. I'll keep you forever near. My island love, my destiny. Sunset love by the sea. always no end. Your eyes shine brighter than the summer sky, like seabirds soaring high and free. Every heartbeat whispers your sweet name. You're the fire that lives in me. From the mountains to the rolling sea, you are my sweetest melody. Every breeze carries love so true. Every dream begins with you. Forever in the island breeze, your love brings my heart to ease. Like the waves upon the golden shore, I love you more and more. Forever in the island breeze, together beneath the coconut trees, hand in hand we'll always be, living our love so naturally. So naturally. Even when the evening shadows fall, I know your love will conquer all. The moon reflects across the sea, a perfect picture of you and me. Every laugh, every kiss we share fills the island's peaceful air. No matter where this life may lead, your love is everything I need. Let the reggae rhythm play all night, under stars that shine so bright. We'll dance until the break of dawn. Our love forever carries on. Forever in the island breeze, our hearts drift with perfect ease. To every season, come what may, I'll choose you every single day. Forever in the island breeze, you're my endless harmony. Until the oceans meet the sky, our love will never die. Forever, forever in the island breeze, you and me, eternally. Forever in the island breeze. Dancing under the coconut tree. Yeah, yeah. Feel the island breeze. Tonight is made for love. Come dance with me. Oh, the evening sun is fading low, painting the sky with a golden glow. The ocean sings a sweet refrain, washing away every hurt and pain. Your smile shines brighter than the stars, guiding my heart wherever you are. Barefoot footprints in the sand, together forever, hand in hand. The warm wind whispers through the leaves, a love that every heart believes. With every beat, with every smile, let's stay here for a little while, dancing under the coconut trees.